Jack Smart Factory, located in the Circular Economy Industrial Cluster area of Taizhou Bay, which covers 1 million square meters, with total investment US $850 million. It aims at building world-class researching and producing base with integrated Internet of Things intelligent manufacturing working plant, high-tech developing center, and intelligent sewing machinery creative center. It can output 2 million sets of intelligent sewing machines, 100,000 sets intelligent special machines, 10,000 sets intelligent sewing unit, 100 automatic intelligent producing lines. Jack Smart Factory can satisfy customers' high quality, variety kinds, flexible, and small batch production requirements. Jack Smart Factory focuses on product design and orders delivery with well-organized combination of intelligent device, information, big data analysis system, which can improve end-to-end service ability. The third-generation sewing machine body intelligent producing line integrates flexible manufacturing unit, automatic truss robot, energy management system, oil mist collection system, and Internet of Things to guarantees higher accuracy, more intelligent management, higher productivity, cleaner and more environmental production. When combines intelligent painting producing line including automatic painting robot, flexible clamp device, automatic logistics system, and brand new painting craft, production efficiency and product qualification ratio will be highly improved. The combination of automatic robot assembly system and manual assembly system, making full use of MES system to achieve integrated automatic transportation lines, automatic moving assembly line, spare parts automatic feeding system so as to realize less working staff, lower skills and standardization. By combining automatic accessing device and professional warehouse management software, transferring robot, AGV car, and goods sorting system, etc., it can achieve tri-dimensional store, automatic access, and standard visual management. From the customer order to the order delivery, through the APS, MES, controlling system management, purchasing plan, producing plan, manufacturing process can be highly managed. Also, it can control producing process, analyze integrated fundamental data, decompose big data, etc., to create a timely tracking and cooperation, intelligent and open decision factory, constantly satisfy customers' delivery requirements. Creating smart factory based on Internet of Things industry and service Internet will go along with industry upgrading whole process. It's a strategic step for Jack to upgrade industries and to be intelligent manufacturing pioneer. Create world-class manufacturing base. Promote 10 billion sewing machinery business.